In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to comprehensively process a refund in Zoho Books, starting with the creation of a credit note and ending with the actual refund. This process is really simple and takes only a few steps. Let's get started. You will begin by creating a credit note. To do this, you need to navigate to the Sales section and then further into the Credit Notes pane. Here, you will come across a button titled New Credit Note. Go ahead and click this button. Once clicked, you will be redirected to a new page where you will need to enter the details for the credit note. It's worth mentioning that the data you enter here should be as precise as possible. When you finish with all the necessary inputs, you locate and click the Save button to ensure these details are stored. You've successfully set up a credit note, and now it's time to process the refund. To do this, go back and locate the credit note that you just created. When it's found, you'll see a More button. You can find this button if you hover your cursor over the credit note number 2. Clicking on the More button will provide you with several options. From these options, you select Refund. A new page will open up allowing you to enter the exact amount to be refunded. Once you've entered the appropriate refund amount, you need to save these details by clicking on the Save button. Processing a refund for excess vendor payments involves a similar path. You first locate the payment which needs to be refunded. This can be done by going to the Purchases section and then further into the Payments Made pane. In there, you will find the payment you wish to refund. Your next step is to initiate the refund. To do this, you'll see a More button in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu from which you will select Refund. This will lead you to a page where you will insert the refund details. Key details such as the refunded amount, the date it was refunded on, and the bank to which the refund was deposited into must be entered in as precisely as possible. Once you've inserted these numerous details, all you have left to do is to click on the Save button at the end. Your refund has now been processed successfully and safely in Zoho Books. By following these clear steps, you should have no problem processing refunds the next time you need to. The best part is that it's a quick and straightforward process that ensures you can effectively manage invoices and payments in your bookkeeping.